It's a constant discussion.
Everyone is really excited.
I'm actually super excited, especially now that the buildings are closer to being complete. It looks a lot better.
It looks like it's coming together. It's exciting just to see new facilities in general.
The new style of the bedrooms, that's different. The wall in between the beds.
Everyone has been looking forward to this for a while.
It's bigger. There's going to be a lot more space for activities. So like the horseshoe area, the basketball court, there's going to be volleyball. Inside and out, so that's really cool. If it's raining, you can still do something.
It just feels like it's going to be much more comfortable, in these new dorms.
This is ginormous. If they need to choose which one to come to, it would be Placer because you've got nature, but then you also got your city space not too far away. So you've got the best of both worlds. You get to enjoy the outdoors. Yeah, and then if you feel like you need to go into the city, you've got it right there. It's like not even a half-hour drive.
The nature is the best part of this area. It's also why we need fire crews to protect these resources. But this place just has a better combination, best of both worlds, being closer to like our infrastructure, being able to take calls faster. It's just going to make our response times that much faster.